So as I noted in the previous video, I've got all of these items that I want to join into one thing. Before I do that, I'm going to delete the camera and light or hide them. In this case, I'm just going to delete them. They're not a high priority for me at the moment. Now, at this point, if I push A on my keyboard, it selects everything in the scene. That's visible. Now, if I go ahead and I push Ctrl J to join, nothing happens. And that's because I don't have any of the items set to active. I don't have a primary item selected as the main item. So I'm going to just push Shift down and select this one. And if you note somewhere on here, both you can see here in the shape of the outline and here in the outliner that the color is slightly different, denoting that this is the active object. Everything else is still selected, but this is kind of the main thing. So now if I come back into my 3D window and I Control J, it will join them all together as one item. Now, there are issues, and you can kind of see that from some of these lines. There are these extra, well, there's a lot of extra things going on, a lot of extra vertices, for example, and that's something we'll deal with shortly.